They're calling it the OnePlus Nord Core Edition 2. It's even slimmer than the first one. They kept the headphone jack and the fast and smooth Oxygen OS 11. And they also put in an extra SD card slot. You can add up to 1 terabyte. And they're still offering 2 major Android updates and 3-year security updates.
Looks like they swapped out the Dragon for the MediaTek Dimensity 900 chipset. There's a lot of AI firepower here, and it's 5G ready. Pair it with a smarter camera, and this here 90 hertz display. It'll make everything from shooting videos to gaming fast, smooth, and fun as hell.
Looks like our friend here comes with a 4,500 milliamp hour battery. And according to my database, they're pairing this big battery with a 65 watt Super Voke fast charger.
How would the charging time?
Faster than you'd expect. 1 day of battery life in just 15 minutes.
What do you think this is? Some sort of TV cop drama? We want to film!
No, that's impossible.
Oh yes, Detective Smith, it is that affordable. Now, time to die.